Which breed of cat sheds the least? Cats are beloved pets because they have lots of different personalities and cute habits. But hair can be a problem for many cat owners. Cats have to shed hair every so often. But some types are known to shed less than others. In this video, we will talk about cat shedding and list the types of cats that are known to shed the least. Before moving on to the topic, please subscribe to our channel. How to understand cat shedding. Before we talk about which cat types shed the least, it's important to know why cats shed in the first place. Shedding is a normal part of a cat's body that helps keep their skin and fur healthy. They can get rid of old or broken fur and grow new, healthy fur in its place. Shedding also helps cats keep their bodies at the right temperature by letting them adjust to changes in the weather. Even though shedding is normal, too much of it can be a sign of health problems or not cleaning properly. Things that affect shedding. There are several things that can affect how much a cat sheds. Some of these factors are: 1. Breed. The cat's breed has a big effect on how much it sheds. Some breeds have longer fur, while others have shorter coats that shed less. 2. Climate. Cats that live in colder places may get thicker fur and shed more when the seasons change. 3. Health. A cat's food and overall health can affect how much it sheds. Cats that aren't getting enough food or have health problems may shed more. 4. Grooming. Grooming your pet regularly can help them shed less. When cats get groomed, extra fur is removed before it becomes a problem, so they shed less. Cat breeds that don't shed much. 1. Sphynx. The Sphynx cat is known for having almost no hair, which makes it the best choice for people who want a cat that sheds very little. But because they don't have fur, they need extra care because they can get skin problems and sunburn. 2. Bengal. The Bengal cat has a unique short coat with little fur. Long-haired cats and many other breeds shed more than this breed. 3. The Russian blue cats have short, thick, and soft fur that shed less than longer-haired cats. The fact that they don't cause allergies is also known about them. 4. Cornish Rex. This breed has a different kind of curly hair that sheds less and doesn't get matted as easily. Also, they don't need to be groomed as often as some other breeds. 5. Devon Rex. The Devon Rex has a short, curly coat that sheds less than long-haired types. It looks a lot like the Cornish Rex. 6. Siamese. Siamese cats naturally shed less because their coats are short and fine. People know them for their beautiful blue eyes and sleek looks. 7. Burmese. Burmese cats have short, silky coats that don't shed much and are easy to clean. Cat shedding is a normal process that is different for each cat breed and person. For people who want a cat as a pet but don't want to deal with a lot of hair, some kinds are known to shed less than others. Some kinds that don't shed much are the Sphynx, Bengal, Russian Blue, Cornish Rex, Devon Rex, Siamese, and Burmese. It's important to remember, though, that even breeds that don't shed much need care and attention to stay healthy and happy. A healthy diet and regular grooming are important for keeping your cat's body healthy and beautiful while reducing the amount of hair it sheds. Is it possible for my cat to lose less hair? If so, what should I do? Yes, there are things you can do to help your cat shed less hair and do it better. You can't stop your cat from shedding, but you can cut down on it and make sure its coat stays healthy and well kept. Here are some ways to keep your cat from losing too much. Regular grooming. Brush your cat's fur often. When you brush your hair, you get rid of dead and free hair that could get on your clothes and furniture. How often you groom your cat varies depending on its breed and the length of its coat. But most cats do better with at least a few sessions a week. Good nutrition. A well-balanced, high-quality diet is important for your cat's health, including their skin and coat. Make sure your cat's food has all the nutrients it needs, especially omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are important for the health of its skin and hair. Water. Make sure your cat gets enough water. Skin health is very important, and not getting enough water can affect the quality of your cat's hair. Controlling the humidity. Make sure your home has the right amount of humidity, especially when it's dry outside. Dry air can make your skin dry and cause you to shed more. You might want to use a humidifier to keep the air wet. Regular veterinary care. Make sure your cat's health is in good shape. by taking it to the vet for regular checkups. Some medical conditions can cause hair to shed a lot, so it's important to find and treat them as soon as possible. Reduce stress. Make sure your cat doesn't have to deal with too much stress. Stress can make you clean and shed too much. Give your cat a safe, comfortable, and interesting place to live. Flea control. Make sure your cat is covered against fleas, since having fleas can make it scratch and shed more. Talk to your vet about safe and effective ways to get rid of fleas. Bathing. Most cats are very good at grooming themselves, but giving them a bath once in a while with shampoo made just for cats can help get rid of loose hair. If you want to know how to bathe your pet properly, talk to your vet or a trained groomer. Allergen management. If you or someone in your home has allergies, you might want to use air purifiers, hypoallergenic bedding, or other items that reduce allergens to help deal with how cat hair affects your allergies. Talk to a professional. If you're worried about your cat's shedding, talk to a professional groomer or a vet about the best ways to groom your cat and the items that will help reduce shedding in your cat's case. Remember that cats naturally shed more than others and that this is an important part of their lives. It's important to make sure that the way you groom your cat fits its wants and breed. You might not be able to stop your cat from shedding completely, but these tips will help keep it to a minimum and keep its coat healthy and beautiful.